The White House has announced that fully vaccinated people coming to the U.S. from other countries will be allowed to enter next month. The travel restrictions will be lifted on November 8th. The policy will, in part, require foreign travelers to show proof of vaccination before boarding a flight to come here to the U.S. This comes as the FDA is expected to announce this week that they are allowing a mix and match approach on COVID booster vaccines. So as we go into the fall and winter months, how should Americans continue to protect themselves as all these new developments, well, they continue to unfold almost on the daily? Joining us now is Dr. Geoffrey Mount Varner. He is no stranger to BNC Live. He's actually a friend. Always a pleasure to see you, Doc. So we've had this conversation before. A lot of mixed messaging right now, especially as the holidays are approaching. What's your thoughts and how should we move heading into the holidays, including our children with Halloween around the corner?
Excellent question, and thank you for having me on your show, and glad you're back. So there's a lot of mixed messaging going on, but one thing for sure, we want to make sure that we get our boosters. And now that the FDA has finally said it out loud, it's okay to mix them. It is okay to mix them. And then please rid yourself of thinking that the boosters are only for those who are 65 and older. If you look at the FDA guidelines, it's for people who have pre-existing medical problems, and they give you a list, but then they add not limited to. So I would highly encourage people to talk to their primary care doctors about should they receive a booster. But I will tell you this, everyone in the Varner household who's 18 and older, they are receiving boosters.
Okay, so I remember before there was this tier of who could receive a booster, and it was everyone that was elderly or had an immunocompromised system. So now it's everyone. So even I can go get a booster. But don't I have to wait? Tell me about that.
Well, let me just clarify that. As it relates to the Pfizer, it is still 65 and older, 18 and older if you have certain medical conditions. And they list several of them, like pregnancy, diabetes, lung problems, obesity. Then you qualify for them. They've still not opened the gates and said, hey, it is for everyone. But there's a large range as it relates to pre-existing conditions. Now flip this. Let's go to Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson, which recently passed the FDA advisory board, when their boosters are approved, they will be approved for anyone of any age who has already had a Johnson & Johnson shot. So that's when it doesn't matter whether or not you have pre-existing conditions or not. If you've had Johnson & Johnson, your booster will be your second shot, and it will be Johnson & Johnson.
Dr. Varner, I got a question for you. According to Dr. Anthony Fauci, he said he believes the Johnson & Johnson shot should have just been a two-shot deal from the gate, considering the data that has come out, basically saying it's one of the most, not unprotected, but offers the least protection out of the other three vaccines. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, that was the general feeling within medicine. That probably should have been a two-shot regimen. But fortunately, they have adjusted. And what they said, which is different from the other ones, for the Johnson & Johnson, you can get your second shot 2 months after your first shot. 2 months. It's not that 6 to 8 months. It's 2 months after your first shot of Johnson & Johnson. You can qualify for a booster, or as you said, or as you suggested, your second shot. So yes, people should view the Johnson & Johnson, that second shot, is literally just the second shot, not necessarily a booster.
All right, what about folks who are still vaccine hesitant, and they're basically saying, hey, I got this natural immunity. I already had COVID. I'm not getting vaccinated because I'm protected. True or false?
Let's just say that the recommendations are that you should still get vaccinated. However, there's some literature out there that would say that would lead someone to believe if you have already had COVID, that you don't necessarily need to be vaccinated. However, the current CDC and FDA guidelines or recommendations that if you've had COVID, you should still get vaccinated.
Okay, so tell me how this works, because I had COVID and I'm fully vaccinated. So does that mean I don't need a booster shot? or should I still enroll and get one?
You should still enroll and get one. In fact, those people who have natural immunity, meaning they've acquired COVID naturally, and they've been vaccinated, and they've had a booster, they are the maximally protected in the world. You don't get any greater protection than that. So, in summary, if you've had COVID and you've had the vaccination, yes, you should get the booster because that will maximize your protection overall.
All right, last question for you. Yesterday, we lost a 4-star General, Colin Powell, who was fully vaccinated, had complications due to other health ailments, multiple myeloma he was also battling, which is a form of cancer. What do you say to folks that are now using him as an example that, hey, this vaccine doesn't work?
Well, my family, my regards go out to the Colin Powell family, or to the Secretary Colin Powell's family. However, people who are using it that way, they don't understand science. Meaning, Colin Powell had many health problems, but he had multiple myeloma. What that means is that he had a blood cancer. But not only just a blood cancer, this cancer impacted the plasma cells. The reason why that's important, plasma cells are what are the cell lines that create antibodies. So he had a cancer of the cell lines that he needed for antibodies. In fact, one could argue that the vaccination probably bought him more time because it allowed him to produce whatever antibodies he was able to. I would highly discourage people from thinking that, in fact, in the medical world, this is not even considered a vaccine failure. This was considered that the vaccine probably provided the maximum opportunity for Colin Powell, for Secretary Powell, to do as well as he did for so long.
Wow, that is a different take than we've heard. Thank you for that, Dr. Varner. Always a pleasure.